Arrays, part 4, split string. This is another thing I would like to show you how to do, is how to use the split function. Basically what it does is convert a string to an array. We have a string x with a string that is AAA, comma, BBB, CCC, etc, etc. They're all separated by a comma. Then we create a string array, y, and after the equal sign, the set, we call x, the string, and call the method split. You know, like we call methods like system, print out, etc. So strings has a method called split, and inside its argument we put a string with the character where we want the split to happen. In this case it's a comma, meaning that after each comma this will be an element in the array, let's say, and even before the comma it starts from A, and then it splits it to another element in the array, BBB, and then you have another comma, it splits it to CCC, and then DDD. When and why is it useful? Well, I found this split function very useful in few projects I've done. It can either be user input or something you get from a database, or even a scripting language or whatever. You split it with a character like a comma. This can be any character, even an exclamation mark or something else, and then it turns into a string array. And here I just print the y array. I use s as the variable that will hold each array item, and then I print s. So each iteration it will go through the elements in this array converted from this string. Let me print it and you will see each element in the array printed to the console. As you can see, it splits it as if there are different elements in an array: AAA, BBB, CCC, and DDD. So as I said, let's repeat this quickly. You get a string that you want to turn into an array. You split it with some character, in our case it's a comma, and then you create a string array, y in our case, and then you call the string, and then you write dot split, and between the brackets of the split, the argument of the split, we put another string with the character where we want the split to happen. In this case we want the items to be split wherever there's a comma, meaning this will become an item in the array, then this, and then this. And that's it. And after that you can manipulate it like any array. They also call it array processing in some programming languages, where you loop the array. So here we use a for each loop. You can also call, let's say, y at position 1 if you wanted BBB, if you wanted to manipulate it for some reason. And that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, please refer to the Q&A, and I will try to help you as best as I can. That's it.